It's now about 2 weeks since former Lord Resistance Army Commander Dominic Ongwen surrendered in the Central African Republic. It has been anticipated that Ongwen would soon be transferred for trial either to the International Criminal Court in the Hague, Netherlands, or here in Uganda, but this is yet to happen. But while launching the new Army airbase in Gulu district, Chief of Defense Forces General Katumba Wamala said Ongwen would be relocated to the Hague for trial in the ICC. In 2005, the World Court indicted Ongwen alongside LRA Chief Joseph Kony and 3 other LRA commanders.
Of course, he's entitled to a lawyer, he's entitled to all that, but that's a matter to be addressed. Yeah.
Then what about the religious leaders in this region?
Now they can appeal to ICC, because the matter was already with ICC.
State Minister for Regional Cooperation Asuman Chinji told NTV that negotiations were ongoing to see that technicalities surrounding Ongwen's fate are resolved.
He's supposed to be arraigned before that court when apprehended. So the issue now is what happens to that indictment. Of course, it is true that we are the first complainants. In fact, we are the ones who asked for that international intervention. So we need to consult and agree on how best this matter should be handled.
Elsewhere, State House has dismissed claims that President Yoweri Museveni had pardoned Ongwen for atrocities he had committed. Ongwen made the claim in a recording that NTV exclusively aired on Monday evening. Deputy Presidential Press Secretary Linda Nabusai said in a statement that President Yoweri Museveni does not have the prerogative to pardon terrorists who have abused the sanctity of human life. She adds that Ongwen commanded the LRA's senior brigade blamed for some of the worst atrocities by the rebel groups, including rape, sexual slavery, murder, mutilation. Meanwhile, a human rights lawyer, Nicholas Opio, says the Ongwen matter is now more political than legal.
On June 12, 2003, President Museveni and the then Secretary of State of the U.S., General Colin Powell, signed an Article 98 agreement between Uganda and the U.S., which essentially provided for immunity for their respective nationals from ICC jurisdictions. Because this agreement has legal force, both nationally but also at the ICC, it's an allowable procedure under Article 98 of the Rome Statute. I think the technicalities around this agreement is perhaps the only thing that's delaying the quick resolution to the Ongwen matter.
President says Ongwen should be pardoned in line with the peace agreement government signed with the LRA in 2006 in Juba, South Sudan.
We also urge the government to apply the Amnesty Act. The Amnesty Act is still in place. Government should not use Dominic Ongwen just for propaganda purposes.
More research all NTV.